Hi children. Under chapter 12 exercise number 5 with the topic area of irregular shapes you are going to see in this video. So area of irregular shapes, how can we find? That is, to find the area of irregular shapes, certain hints I have given here. First we will see what it is. So count the number of squares within these shapes. So how to count the number of square boxes when if it is irregularly shaded? First point, count the whole square. When the square box is completely shaded, you can count that as a 1 square unit. Second point, count the squares that are half or more than half inside. That is, for example, I have shown here. See, half means like this. Half shaded, exactly half is not shaded. If you see, it can be in any direction, in any shape. Okay, it can be like a curve also. So next is more than half. These are the only 4 examples I have given. But if you see different pictures, you can able to find by shaded and unshaded part. Okay, just compare the shaded part and unshaded part and you will come to know whether it is half shaded or more than half it is shaded. Okay, so when you have half part of the square is shaded and with the more than half part of the square is shaded, means you can count the half and more than half as a 1 square unit. Okay, so we can count as one whole. The third point is, do not count the square that are less than half inside the shapes. See, like this, less than half. If you see, the shaded part will be very less when compared to half. So in that kind of squares, you need not to count that square as a 1 square unit. You can just neglect that square boxes. Okay, so using these 3 hints, we are going to find the area of irregular shapes. Exercise 5, find the approximate area of each leaf by counting squares. See, if you see, they are asking us to find approximate area only because, see, the shape can be anything. Since it will be an irregular shape, we can able to find only the approximate area. Okay, so for example, I'll just do 2 sum alone. So if I take the first sum, I'm starting with here. So if you see this box, compare this square box. Compare the shaded part and unshaded part. See, maximum is unshaded part only is there. The shaded part is very less. So I'm not going to count this. The second box here, this. So maximum part of the square is shaded, more than half. So I am going to count it as 1. So next this box, it is less than half. So next this box is more than half is shaded, so 2. So this is also only 1 inch is not shaded, so I am counting it as 3. So here it is 4, again it is 5. See, if you see these both square, see the unshaded part is less. So I am counting these 2 square boxes. So this is also I am counting. And this, if you see, the shaded and unshaded are equal. So I am going to take it as half. So half also I can consider as 1 square unit. So here it is less shaded, only less than half. So this square, if you take, it is fully shaded, so 8. I am counting it as 8 square unit. So next this box. So compare the shaded and unshaded part. The unshaded part is less when you compare to the shaded part. So I am counting it as 9th square unit. So now the area of this leaf is 9 square unit, that is units. Okay, so one more sum if you want, I can show you. E sum, I'll take E sum. So here, from here I'll count it. So this square I'm counting 1, this also 2. So this part, if you take, I'm just concluding it as less than half. So this is also less than half. Next row I'm coming. So this square is also less than half. So this I'm counting 3. So this 4, and this is also 5, and this is also 6. So here this part I'm not including. Less than half is shaded. So this is equally shaded and unshaded are equal. So I'm counting this as 7th unit square, and this is 8. See, if you take this square, only the unshaded part is less. So this is 9. So this is 10. And if you see here, this is not included. If you take this square, this part, maybe half is shaded. So 11. So this I'm not counting. So coming to the last row. So here if I see half is shaded. So 12. And here also if you see maybe less than half shaded. So here it is also less than half. So I'm just stopping with 12. So the area of this leaf is equal to 12 square units. Okay, so we have found only the approximate area of these two leaves. So the rest of the figures you can also find it by using these 3 hints. Okay, thank you children.